Morning guys, we are here in Leigh. We're at the Leigh Model Railway show. We're here on the Saturday morning, the event's on tomorrow. I'll put the poster up now. We'll take you inside. It's my first model railway show. I've visited for about 40 years. We're in episode 1 of Double O Gauge Journey. And we're starting with the model railway show at Leigh. I'm going to get some inspiration. We'll show you the traders that are here, show you the layouts. I'll see you inside guys. Just entered the hall now. Massive event, actually, really big event. Pan you round. We'll take you on a quick lap. So it was £8 to get in. We got the map and a list of exhibitors, but we'll take you on a quick lap because there's lots here to see. So right, waffling. Let's have a look. So there's lots of traders here, guys, and lots of layouts. We'll have a look at the layouts on the later on, but there's loads of, like I say, traders, layouts of all gauges here. It's really nice to see. We've got the Deltic Preservation Society. Definitely have a look at these guys. We do love a Deltic. I'm going to be properly geeking out here, guys, just to forewarn you. But yeah, lots of stuff here for retail traders. Some really big layouts here. Yeah, some serious modelling going on here. Like I say, I've not been in. I've just come back into the hobby now after 40 years, and this is the first show I've been to since about 1987. So it's all completely new to me. We'll learn together. We will learn together, guys. We've got DCC concepts here as well. And lots of models here. Let's say, we've got Minis Tattoos Newarth. Like I say, we'll have a look. We'll have a proper look later on, guys, and I'll get you some close-up shots of these fantastic layouts. And we'll obviously spend a few pennies because all this stuff looks great. But it goes. We'll go through there. Go through there later on, guys. But yeah, quick lap. There's so much here to see. Really recommend it. Like I say, it's countless layouts here, guys. Proper modelling, guys. Proper modelling. Right, let's go see some layouts. Is this O gauge, is it? G-scale, sorry, I'm coming back into the hobby after 40 years. So yeah, literally, the first time I've been to the show since about 1987. So yeah, I'm still just trying to get to learn everything. Yeah, but fantastic. Are they custom, are they, or can you actually just buy these? Really, yeah.
A lot comes in the stock are all off the shelf.
Yeah. Wow.
A lot of the detailing stuff is 3D printed.
That seems to be the key to it these days. Yeah, I think I need to get myself a...
If you look on the what can you find?
Oh yeah.
A lot of that are 3D printed because you can't buy it.
And looking at the stuff that you can 3D print, trying to buy it it just racks up and racks
Yeah,
up, doesn't it?
yeah.
So yeah, I think it definitely need a 3D
3D
printer.
printing is all that lot there.
Yeah.
The screen cans from Monsters Inc. The axle stands, the scrap wheel,
toilet,
the
wow.
toilet, the barrel. You've got just hiding behind there. You've got the Ark of the Covenant.
Wow. That's incredible.
Yeah, the ladder's 3D printed.
Yeah.
The Super Mario Crash Bandicoot. Yep.
It's incredible,
All
isn't
that
it?
lot. Yeah.
Like I say, it's late 80s since I last dabbled in this, so just seeing the changes of everything.
And down there you've got the chairs, Baby Groot sat in the chair. You've got the stick.
Oh, there's
So you've got the stick, Baby Groot, the chairs. They're all 3D printed.
Oh, Marge.
3D. The Black Knight from Monty Python. Tis but a scratch.
Oh. That's also got quite a few layouts, the little sort of little secret surprises, the Easter eggs and stuff.
That's it. So
fantastic.
Yeah, all of that lot.
Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you very much. That was Tidford. That was Tidford. What fantastic that. A lot of 3D printing going on, the guys were saying here. That seems to be the future, I think. That's fantastic. That is amazing. That. Oh wow, we got the runway back there, guys. And the green goddess fire engines. Another one for the diaries there, guys. Preston District Model Railway. Their exhibition first weekend in March. A few months off yet, but keep an eye out for that one. This is Llwyn Grug. Yeah, I love the fairground, guys. You just see the fairground in the centre there, looking like this is Engage. Looking at it, but you can just see the looks like an arc type ride. You got the toy set there, and it looks like the almost looks like the Sahara Maxims flying machines at Pleasure Beach. They're quite reminiscent to them. Absolutely fantastic detail. I did try Engage, guys, but it's just I just couldn't get to grips with it. I certainly couldn't make anything like this. Unbelievable. Hey, all right. I think that's our first Gronk of the day, guys. That's stunning, absolutely stunning. Oh, there we go. Are you alright? Bet there's some weight in them, isn't there? I think my back's just twinging looking at it. That's amazing. That's incredible. Snowplow on the front as well.
Oh, those have got real slate in them.
Really, yeah.
The wagon doesn't weigh that much, but it weighs a ton because of all the slate.
That's mad, wow. Oh, we've got videos of there, alright, okay. Wow. So, is it open to the public where you guys are? Yeah.
We only ask for donations.
Okay.
So you come down, you
Yeah.
can...
Is it alright if I take a leaflet? Is that alright? Thanks.
That's what they're there for.
Thanks very much.
Actually, there's my engine on the leaflet.
Oh, right.
That's my 24.
Oh, wow.
As this is my Black 5 1/5 1999% incomplete engine.
So are these all custom built? Or are they sort of off the shelf? That's quite an obvious
you can buy castings like this and drawings and stuff, but you have to machine them and build them as you would. I've used 3D printed parts just to show what roughly, you know, kind of like what it looks like, but you get them as rough castings and you have to drill
wow,
and
that's
bore.
proper machine, isn't it?
Oh yeah, they're built like the real engines,
Yeah.
just in miniature.
It's
So you
incredible.
get stuff like this, and then you go to add more, and then you get on to finish engines.
Unbelievable, the size of what scale is this? Is it O or is it
This is 5-inch gauge.
5-inch gauge? Right.
This is 3.5-inch gauge, and that's 3.5-inch gauge, 5-inch gauge, and the rest are all 5-inch gauge.
Okay. Wow. Unbelievable, the precision that you can see in them. That's brilliant.
And they're properly made out of, well, brass and steel. There's
Wow.
no plastic.
No,
It's all metal.
proper,
Should be all metal.
proper original old school, isn't it? It's brilliant. Well, thank you very much. We'll see you soon, hopefully. Yeah, absolutely fascinating, guys. But if you want to see where those guys are, that's where those guys are.
Yeah, yeah.
I love the lights on the vans. Yeah, you just see the Network Rail one there, and there's one up here as well, the NHS. Absolutely fantastic lights on the vans there. That's so much to see, you guys. It's fascinating. I love it. I absolutely love it. Wow, that's a class 20. Class 20. I'm still getting to grips. Bear with me, guys. I need all the help I can get. I'm still getting to grips with knowing my classes. I'm sure that is a class 20. And so much detail. Oh, there you go. If you fancy buying this fantastic layout, guys. Wow. Sorry, I'm putting you under pressure there, filming you doing it. I need to think about that. So I've still got the baseboards to build yet. I've got loads of second-hand stuff from last year. But I need to work out whether I want a complete circuit or an end-to-end. So I do like the end-to-end layouts. I think there's just more about them, I think. But absolutely fantastic it is. Got the Northwest Scale Model Boat Club here. Huge boats. Oh, we've got the Leigh Model Railway Society obviously promoting the event. The local model railway club.
I was thinking of
that when he went out now. That's got to make it room. Take it over. We'll give you a
because it'll match the pacer that I've got. And I'm contemplating the 158 that Rockland brought out in delivery too. What?
All this stuff. Thomas will let you have a layout.
That's incredible. That is incredible. There's so much detail in that. I just don't know where to look.
So if I told you it was 43 years old,
You're joking. Younger than me.
yeah, I built it when I was 17. The original board, and then it got added, and then
Yeah.
it got played with, and
Wow.
it keeps going.
I'm just getting back into it now for 40 years. I haven't had a train set when I was 8, and that's been it. It's my first show since about 1987.
Oh, really?
Vintage, so
That's
we're,
right.
it's just nice seeing how far the hobby's come in that in that time. It's like a whole different world.
The biggest change, certainly this scale, was the fact that Batman started to do 009. Up until then we were all building kits
Yes.
on Ibertron chassis and the like, or Engage chassis. As soon as Batman have started to do stuff, that changed 009 big time. And now apparently Rapido are now starting to look at doing
Yes,
something.
yes,
so
I did hear that.
That should be quite interesting to see what they do.
Yeah, I suppose it's
But,
what price
yeah.
point they're coming at as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
With everything these days.
The nice thing that I've always liked about 009 is you've got the benefit of Engage track, but you've then got 00 buildings and everything, so everything's ready available.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of a mishmash.
Yeah,
Gorgeous.
that's Mighty Mac's plans. Mighty Mac.
Very smooth. It was very smooth.
It's like the original train locomotive.
Some of the detail here, guys, is just amazing. It really is amazing. Wirral. So about an hour or so. Bye. This is 9 Mills, guys, regional railways again. This is more my type of thing. This is what I'm probably looking at myself, era-wise. You've got the, looks like is it a class 20 there? Let me know in the comments, guys. I can do with all the help I can get. And you've got a class 37 and a class 40 something at the back there. I love these buses. I think Ribble. Yeah, it looks like Ribble Atlantean there. And a Ribble Leyland National. Absolutely stunning scenery. Wow, look at the fiddle yard at the back there. That is huge. That's one serious fiddle yard there, guys. Look at that's amazing, that. I'm not going to touch anything. Definitely not going to touch anything. Oh wow, I've just actually realised, guys, this goes all the way around here, but it goes all the way down the far end. And I think may do another loop at the end, so we'll follow this down. Just see the controls there, guys, just behind there. What an operation. Absolutely fantastic. Huge layout. See the detail in some of these guys is just incredible. The lengths, very inspirational for someone coming into the hobby. And if you're coming into the hobby, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We're a new channel. This is episode 1 on our on our double O gauge journey. So it's episode 1, guys. But yeah, hit the subscribe button. I hope you're enjoying this because I'm having a fantastic time here. It's quite warm though. Glad I didn't put a coat on.
not quite sure. I don't think they are.
They're expensive to buy to start.
I don't think they are.
You've got a what, sorry?
Baseball, technically a baseball. One of the neighbours is moving out and they drop part of the table and left. So I've found they're perfect size for the well-known.
Where?
Initially that's going to be DC.
What, in our own eye? Yeah. Some of them can be a bit tricky. I mean, I'll be honest with you. The
Prints.
the Pico one.
Thanks, Jenny. Thank you.
So much. Take care.
You too. I think, guys, that just about wraps it up. Where should we head? Let's head back to the start. Let's head back down this way, guys. I think there may actually be one layout that we've missed. That about wraps it up, guys. Yeah, our first model railway show. I think it was a success. Lots of great layouts here. Big thanks to Andy Sawyer from Sawyer Models for allowing us to film. It's quite warm in here. Very good turnout. You can see the crowds here at the moment. We're on about 12 o'clock, I think, on the Saturday. The show's here until the Sunday. If you're watching this after the Sunday, this video should be up on the Sunday. But if you're watching afterwards, I'll put the poster up now so you know where it's held. But thank you very much for watching. It is episode 1. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button and the like button for episode 2. I don't know where we're going to end up, but we will be building the layout soon, very, very shortly. So thank you very much for watching again. And I'll see you in the next one, guys.